I've got a video for you. So I was having trouble today figuring out how can I stop one order when I'm ringing up my customers and start ringing up another customers. Sometimes customers need more time to get their money out, or they might start shopping again and there's somebody else who has a quick item and they're ready to check out. So using the square system, I'm going to show you just how to do that. Tanisha's Beauty Supply. If you want to follow my business channel and learn business tips, just subscribe to Tanisha's Beauty Supply. Okay, business bosses. So the first step is you're going to go to more, which is down here at the bottom of your square system. This April 2025. So I have the latest system for April 2025. So more is going to be right down here with the 3 dashes. So I'm going to click that. And then once I get into more, let me put on my glasses, everybody. Ooh, I cannot see. Once I get into more, I'm going to hit add-ons. So we're going to find add-ons right there. Once I go to add-ons, I'm going to go over here to the left for all add-ons. Booyah. And then I'm gonna find open tickets, business bosses. So let's go and look for open tickets. So open tickets says save and edit more orders, or save and edit orders before completing sales. And you can see there's a check mark stating that I've added it, but you won't have one yet if you haven't added it. It's free. So I just go ahead and click. And then I'm going to, for me in the upper right hand corner, it's going to say open and checkout. For you, it might say add, but it's free. So you can go ahead. So I'm going to open it in checkout. I'll show you what the screen looks like. So at the top, it's going to have tickets there. It gives you an option to search for tickets. It gives you an option to see how many tickets you have and what those tickets add up to, your most recent, and it allows you to name the tickets. So let's X out of here because I'm going to go through the scenario of adding up a customer who isn't quite ready, and the next customer is ready, or the next customer has something quick they can check out, and then I want to be able to go back to the first customer. So let's name the first customer Lisa. So Lisa, I'm going to add her items. She's spending 1 cent. And I'm doing this so that I don't mess up my sales number for today with fake sales. So Lisa is not quite ready to check out. She says, oh, I gotta go get some more conditioner. You can go ahead and get him. He's ready, but I've got to get some more conditioner. So Lisa is not ready. Since I've added in this new option, I'm going to get a button down here that reads save ticket right underneath the charge. So I'm going to just hit save ticket for Lisa, and I'm going to hit new ticket, and the name I'm just going to put T, or I'm just going to put actually maybe number 1. You can name it whatever you want to name it. I'm not going to ask the customer their name. Maybe sometimes I will, but if my store is full of people, I don't have time to ask people their names and put in their names. So I'll just put 1, and I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to hit X out of here and go back into get ready to ring up Freddie. So Freddie is spending 2 cents. So he's now ready to check out. I'm going to hit charge for Freddie. He's paying cash, and his exact amount, he's paying the exact amount, 2 cents, and he's done. And so I can go to new sale, continue to new sale. Now Lisa's back and she's ready. So it automatically takes me to tickets. That is so neat, everybody. And so now I'm going to see that Lisa's ticket is right there. And this is what her total so far was adding up to, and she's number 1. So I'm just going to click on that. And then I could go ahead and charge her 1 cent and cash her out. But you notice here how there's zeros there? That means that Lisa, once she got her additional conditioner that she wanted, I can go ahead and add that in. and it's going to automatically add to whatever we've already started adding up for Lisa here. And I can just hit charge because she's now ready to pay. So you can do this for as many customers as you need to, and that's probably why it's a good idea to at least label those tickets 1, 2, 3 or whatnot, just in case you really have a packed store and people are needing to go back and get things, or you might be upselling. And I'm always upselling. So I'll ask them once they get to the register, is there anything else you need while you're in the beauty supply store, like oils or edge control or lashes? And most of the time they will say, yeah, oh yeah, I needed this or I needed that. So this feature is good for that. And then I'm going to charge for Freddie. He's paying 2 cents cash and he's done. So that way you don't have to erase all of what Lisa was charging just to start now ringing up Freddie. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you would like more information and more business tips, follow Tanishas Beauty Supply and like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Visit TanishasBeautySupply.com for personal business coaching and beauty supply classes. If you would like to shop for beauty supply products, visit TanishasBeautySupply.com.